Hey there! In this quick guide, I'll help you install Docker on your server, step by step, in a simple and clear way. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your server as root open PowerShell if you're on Windows, or Terminal if you're on Mac or Linux. Type this command to connect to your server. SSH root at your IP address. Replace your IP address with your server's actual IP. Enter the root password when asked. Step 2. Install Docker Option A. Google it. You can search this on Google. Install Docker Ubuntu site.docker.com or follow the steps below. Option B. Follow these commands, update system, and install required tools. Step 1. Update your package index before installing anything. Update your system so it knows about the latest available software versions. Step 2. Install required dependencies. Docker needs some essential tools to be installed first. Step 3. Add Docker's official GPG key. Docker signs their packages to ensure authenticity. To verify those packages, you need Docker's GPG key. Step 4. Add Docker's repository. Now we tell Ubuntu where to look for official Docker packages. Step 5. Update again, now with Docker repo. Now your system knows where to find Docker and its latest versions. Step 6. Install Docker engine and tools. Step 7. Verify Docker is installed. That's it. Docker is installed and ready to go.